Hi there, students. Duplicity, a noun, and you can have the adjective duplicitous and even the adverb duplicitously. Okay, duplicity is when you effectively two different things, when you trick somebody by not telling the truth, by saying one thing but thinking and having an intention of something completely different. To talk dishonestly, to behave in a dishonest way, particularly if you say different things to different people. Yeah? Duplicity would be telling two different girls, "You're the only one I love." That would be duplicity. He was accused of duplicity. Okay, double dealing, thinking one thing and having one set of intentions, but deceiving somebody by telling them another. Effectively, you're feeding them a lie. Okay, so double speak, if you like, thought or action that is not that you say two different things, yeah, and maybe even you think a third. So duplicity, this is when you say something but you hide your true intentions, using words or actions that trick completely. I guess you could use duplicity just to talk about the state of something being double, twinfold, yeah. The duplicity of twins is a fact, okay? So maybe twofold, but I think that's quite unusual. Normally we use duplicity to talk about cheating, dissimulation, faking it, fraud, tricking someone, being deceitful, telling them lies. Let's see. The integrity of the upright guides them, but the unfaithful are destroyed by their duplicity. From Proverbs in the Bible, Proverbs 11:3. Okay, so duplicity. The duplicity of the spy was discovered and he was put in jail. I was very lucky not to be taken in by his duplicity. Okay, so he's trying to trick me. I think very often governments or politicians could easily be accused of duplicity, knowing one thing is true but saying another. So double dealing, deliberately deceiving somebody in your behavior or your speech, misrepresenting something to trick somebody. He was guilty of duplicity in his dealings with the girl. Okay, so trying to trick them. He had his actions were very duplicitous. There you go. So with as an adjective, yeah. He duplicitously told me something that was just not true. So notice this word, it's linked to duplicate, for example. Duplo, double. Let's see, duplicity, how formal is this? This sounds a bit literary and a bit formal. 6.57 informality. Use it in something semi-formal or very formal. Could you use it in an informal conversation? Trickery, lies, something like that would probably sound better informally. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin duplicare, to double, yeah, like a duplex, for example, maybe. So to duplicity, to double cross someone using double talk, to think one thing and then say something that's totally the opposite, that's totally not true. Yeah, duplicity is very annoying. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Duplicity. Duplicitous.